Did you know that goat milk could be easier to digest than regular cow's milk, yet some health experts warn against drinking it? What if I told you that a common farm animal produces a liquid that could be the key to revolutionizing your health? A substance so potent it's been nicknamed the elixir of life by some, yet so controversial that others warn it could be dangerous. I'm talking about goat milk, and the truth about its effects on the human body will shock you. In this video, from its unique digestive benefits to its surprising nutritional gaps, we'll explore why some call it the elixir of life, while others remain skeptical. We'll reveal why some health experts are hailing it as a miracle food, while others are sounding the alarm. But that's not all. We'll also share the results of a groundbreaking experiment that puts goat milk to the ultimate test. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to decide whether goat milk deserves a place in your diet or if it's better left to the kids, pun intended. But be warned, what you're about to learn may change the way you think about dairy forever. Are you ready to discover the truth about goat milk? Let's dive in. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell so that you are notified of the most current episodes.
We'll start by explaining the benefits of goat milk. Goat milk is said to be healthier than other types of milk since it is simpler to digest and does not cause stomach upset. This is because it has relatively little casein. Alpha-1 casein is believed to be hypoallergenic. Furthermore, its composition is more akin to breast milk than cow's milk, as it contains several times more beta-casein. However, doctors do not recommend that goat milk be used exclusively to substitute nursing. This is the outcome of the content. Because goat milk contains a high fat content and lacks the enzyme lipase, which aids in the breakdown of lipids, infants under 1 year old should be supplemented with breast milk or specialized baby formulas. Cobalt, an essential component of vitamin B12, is prevalent in goat milk. Cobalt regulates and normalizes metabolic processes, as well as playing a role in blood formation. As a result, drinking goat milk can aid digestion, strengthen the immune system, and guard against certain diseases in general. Goat milk contains several vitamins, including B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, B12, C, D, E, H, and PP. Consuming these critical vitamins on a regular basis ensures that there is an adequate quantity in the body. This has a positive influence on overall health and may help prevent diseases like vitamin deficiency and atherosclerosis. In addition, these vitamins aid in the recovery from colds, acute illnesses, and surgeries. In addition, goat milk contains physiologically active substances such as choline, lecithin, albumin, and globulin. Biotina, these compounds improve skin tone, slow down aging, and make skin more elastic. Furthermore, it is rich in essential minerals, including phosphor, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iode, molin, sodium, mangan, cupru, fluor. As a result, capra milk supports thyroid function, strengthens the cardiovascular system, improves memory, and increases productivity. It also has a positive influence on the nervous system, which makes it recommended for those dealing with tension or pressure. Health benefits of goat milk. Goat milk is used to treat gastrointestinal problems, duodenal infections, and thyroid issues. It can help with tuberculosis and diabetic recovery, heavy metal ion removal, and regaining strength after chemotherapy. It is also recommended that you consume it a few days after contracting a foodborne disease to help your body repair and replenish essential vitamins and minerals. Additionally, goat milk has minerals that assist to moderate stomach acidity, making it an excellent choice for people who frequently have heartburn. It is also beneficial to those who rely on fast food or do not follow a healthy diet. Goat milk promotes healthy digestion and is a fantastic approach to avoid gastritis and ulcers. It is also effective in treating colds. For example, persons with bronchitis should drink a glass of warm goat milk with a tablespoon of honey 3 times a day. If you frequently cough, it is recommended that you drink a blend of goat milk and oats. You should drink it around 30 minutes after eating. If you experience insomnia, sipping a glass of warm goat milk before bedtime will help you sleep better. Goat milk is also effective against sleeplessness. Traditional medicine also includes a remedy for headaches. White clay is mixed with goat milk to make a paste, which is then applied to the forehead as a compress. Goat milk is even reduce allergy symptoms. It is known to reduce allergy symptoms, making it suitable for consumption during an allergic reaction. It is said that drinking 1 or 2 glasses of it every day for a month can help avoid these symptoms from recurring. In conclusion, goat milk is a nutritious and diversified meal with several health benefits. However, like any other meal, it should be consumed in moderation and according to individual dietary needs and circumstances. The health advantages, hazards, and contraindications of goat milk. Now, let's discuss the potential drawbacks and reasons not to use goat milk. In general, goat milk has extremely few harmful substances, the majority of health risks and contraindications of goat milk. Now, let's analyze the potential downsides and contraindications of goat milk. In general, goat milk has extremely few hazardous substances. The most prevalent contraindication is personal intolerance to the substance. Surprisingly, this sensitivity is frequently caused by the milk's unique flavor and, on occasion, its strong odor rather than its chemical composition. These sensory features are mostly determined by the goat's living environment and nutrition. The sweeter and more diversified the grass the goat consumes, the sweeter the milk will be. Similarly, better goat care leads to less odor. Individuals with particularly thick blood should exercise caution while consuming goat milk, since it can drastically raise hemoglobin levels. A solution might be to dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Those with pancreatic problems are likewise recommended to avoid drinking big amounts of goat milk. Its fat level, which is roughly 4.4%, may cause discomfort or worsen certain diseases. Women who follow rigid diets should be cautious about their use of goat milk. Despite its optimal nutritional profile, the fats in goat milk are fully absorbed by the body instead of being broken down, and its caloric value is comparatively low, 66 kilocalories per 100 milliliters compared to 86 kilocalories in low-fat cottage cheese. It includes 67% unsaturated fatty acids, which can help avoid cholesterol accumulation. As you can see, goat milk is an extremely useful drink for both adults and children, and pregnant women may take it safely. This product delivers critical nutrients for the fetus's normal growth, while also protecting the mother's teeth against decay. In the spring, goat milk is especially important since it may help the body recover from a variety of seasonal disorders such as vitamin shortages, exhaustion from the winter months, and irritation. So don't overlook this wonderful and fragrant drink. Add it into your regular diet, and you'll feel a lot better. That's it for today, dear friends. If you wish to share your personal experience or perspective, please leave a comment. This was the channel for everything, and if you haven't already subscribed, you should do so to remain up to date on even more valuable and crucial information. Thank you for supporting and providing comments on. See you shortly.